Dutch traditional bicycle. Outside the summer. Let's take the clamps out. Clamps and the bolts. And you see there is a locking small clamp that is going to lock. Make sure the cycle doesn't come out. Similarly, this side as well. So you have to take off this clamps. So this is the clamp. So this is the clamp. Holding here to make sure it does not come out. Likewise, we have this side as well. So make sure you collect all this safely. If you miss off it, you are going to have a challenge. Now the cycle will just come off easily. Let's take it off. Cycle will be removed. The wheel is here.